Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to revise chapter 5 quadratic equations. We know what is quadratic equations. Okay. An equation with a variable x in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a naught is equals to 0. An equation with variable x in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a naught equals to 0. This is called a quadratic equation. Okay na students? Now the standard form of the quadratic equation. The examples of the quadratic equations are, we can write like this, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 5. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Clearly a naught is equals to 0. So here a comma b comma c are real numbers. We know 0 also real number, but according to condition it is not equals to 0. Okay. Now the standard form of the quadratic equation is equals to, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay na students? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is called the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now quadratic function. Next one what Nana? Quadratic function. Quadratic function means y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay na? Quadratic function means what Nana? Y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So this is called the quadratic functions. These are the key concepts of quadratic equation. Ivanni what we are discussing now, these are the synopsis or important points of the quadratic equation. Now if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equals to 0, if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equals to 0, alpha is the root of a quadratic equation. What am I? If a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equals to 0, alpha is the root of the quadratic equation. Next one, if alpha comma beta are the zeros are roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a naught is equals to 0. Okay, these two are the zeros are roots of the quadratic equation. Then we can write alpha plus beta, the sum of the zeros. In words we can write it as sum of the zeros, that is minus b by a. Okay, and alpha beta means what Nana? This is the product of zeros. Alpha ante ikkada a sign include ayindi into alpha into beta, that is alpha beta. Okay, that is what Nana? C by A. So when we are going to compare with the quadratic equation, the standard form, Minus b by a means what, Nana? In words we can say it as the coefficient of minus the coefficient of x minus the coefficient of x by the coefficient of x square, that is minus b by a, and the product of zeros means we can write it as constant term by the coefficient of x square. So these are the formulas which we discussed in a previous chapter, that is polynomials. In polynomials now we call it as zeros, in quadratic equations we call it as roots, but both are same. Okay na students? The next topic is solution of methods of a quadratic equation. Solution of methods of a quadratic equation. We know already we discussed how to find the solution of a quadratic equation. We used the methods are, the first one is factorization. Factorization method. Yes or no students? In factorization method, by splitting the middle term, we find the roots of the quadratic equation. Yes. So next second method is, that is completing the square method. Completing the square method. The second method is completing the square method, and the third method is quadratic formula by using what, Nana? Using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So by using these three methods, we find out the solution of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation solution మనం ఏ మెథడ్స్ లో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం? One is factorization, another one is completing the square, and another one is quadratic formula. ఈ three methods మనం యూస్ చేసాం. Okay. Now formula. What is the formula, Nana? We used the formula quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is what, Nana? Quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here we can take in two ways. One is minus b, one time with plus sign, plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and with the second time minus b, take the negatives, minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So ఇలా మనం 2 తీసుకుంటాం because of a quadratic equation has a 2 roots. Okay. Now D, this is called what, Nana? Discriminant. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant ne then simple ga emantam manam symbolical ga d antam. Discriminant of the quadratic equation, that is equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay students, now
మేడం నా ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి చూస్తున్నారా?
next one, nature of roots. Nature of roots. So we discussed already, it has three conditions. The first one is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, or simply discriminant is greater than 0. Okay na students? b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, or discriminant is greater than 0. So if the condition satisfies, we can write two distinct real roots. How many real roots are possible, Nana? If b square minus 4 is greater than 0 or d greater than 0. And this is the discriminant. Two distinct real roots are possible. In second condition, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 or d equal to 0. Then two equal roots are possible. Two equal roots are possible. Next, in third condition, b square minus 4ac less than 0 or d is less than 0, then there is no real roots అంటే రూట్స్ అనేది మనకి పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ త్రీ కండిషన్స్ని బేస్ చేసి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ హియర్, these are the key concepts what we discussed in chapter 5. Now coming to the short answer questions. 2 minus x whole square is equals to x minus 2 whole square minus 8. What is the question, Nana? 2 minus x whole square is equals to x minus 2 whole square minus 8. Is this quadratic equation or not? Is this quadratic equation or not? So by seeing we cannot say it because of a quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a naught is equals to 0. ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఉండాలి మనకి. బట్ by looking it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So that's why what I am doing, see here, a minus b whole square form lo undi, a minus b whole square form like this, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay amma? So ee form use chestunna. So that is 2 square minus 2 into x plus x square. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and RHS side also x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square minus 8 is there. So what I am doing, 2 square means here 4 minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4 into x minus 4x plus x square is equals to here also x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 8 is there. Now simply plus x square cancel. Okay na students? ఇక్కడ plus x square cancel అయిపోయింది. So minus 4x RHS side transpose అయితే it becomes plus 4x. Then like signs ఉంటే cancel చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం. ఇక్కడ plus x square ఉంది, if I transpose it to LHS side it becomes minus x square, then plus x square minus x square cancel అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ minus 4x ఉంది, if I transpose it to LHS side it becomes plus 4x వెళ్తాం, అప్పుడు minus 4x plus 4x cancel అవుతుంది. అంటే without transposing ఈ సేమ్ సైన్స్ ఉంటే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు. దెన్ ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది is equals to here what na plus 4 minus 8 అంటే that is minus 4 will come. So దీన్ని కూడా ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందిరా, that is 4 plus 4 is equals to 0, then 8 is equals to 0. So is this quadratic equation? Is it quadratic equation? No. By looking like this, but by doing we are getting like this. So we can say this is not a quadratic equation. Okay students? So like this you just find the you just revise what we discussed the concept, especially key concepts. Okay na? So practice well for exam. Thank you students. 10 minutes more.
15 నిమిషాల 5